The next trick we're going to do takes even less skill than the French drop. This one just uses a simple book of matches, and anyone can do this trick. So first what we're going to do is we're going to take out a match. We're going to strike the match, blow it out. Set it down, have the kid say some magic words, abracadabra, and when we pick it up, we're going to throw it into the matchbook. And when we open the matchbook, we can show that there's one match that is still attached, but burned out. The way this trick is done is by burning one of the matches ahead of time. So what you're gonna do is take one of the matches in your matchbook, and without ripping it out, you're gonna bend it around the back of the matchbook, strike it, and then blow it out. And again, you wanna keep it attached the entire time. Now you're ready for your trick. You're gonna put this match back in the matchbook, but, get the old one out here, but when you do, before you start the trick, you're gonna fold the match down and put it under your thumb. So at this angle, you can't see it. You close the matchbook as well as you can, you hold it shut, and now you're ready to start the trick. So here's my ordinary matchbook. I'm gonna open it up, I'm gonna take out a match, and when I close the matchbook, I'm gonna do it facing me, and I'm gonna push that match back up into the book before I close it. So facing myself, it looks like that, invisible. But again, so you can see, I'm simply pushing it back up in and closing the matchbook. I light my match, I blow it out, and I set it down. Have the kid wave their hand over it, abracadabra, magic words, whatever. And when I go to pick it up, I simply sweep it off of the table. But I act like I'm picking it up. Of course, there's nothing in my hand, but I throw the match at the book, and when we open the matchbook, there's one match that's burned, but still attached.